Night. This bitch is fucking with the damn lawnmower. Bark at that shit.
Here it is.
Motherfucker's a cat.
Hell nah. This girl stupid. This dog stupid. Hell nah. Man, now you dumb. Get her ass, lawnmower. Get her ass, lawnmower. Hell nah.
I know, your Instagram, this motherfucker's stupid ass dog. This will be on YouTube.
This is gonna be. I put this on YouTube and Instagram.
Well, I'm gonna watch it.
Oh shit!
And it ain't even on. That's the side part. That motherfucker's stupid
I know she barking. That's what she barking at. It's not even on. Imagine if the shit was on.
Oh! I'm gonna make sure she ain't out here when I cut the grass.
Hell yeah. Oh, but now you dumb. You dumb. That's why you ran your ass into the damn tree. This bitch scared of the lawnmower. What the hell scared of the bitch? Now you scared of the lawnmower. Damn, how she get out the way?